Welcome to this Canva tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to easily edit diet sheet templates to suit your personal needs or those of your clients in your practice. Canva's versatile tools will help you create a customized diet sheet in no time. First, open Canva and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. Open your brand as your own diet sheet into Canva that you have purchased by clicking on the link provided in the PDF document. Now let's start customizing. Click on any text box within the template to edit the text. To change the content, simply click on the text you want to edit. Delete the placeholder text and type in your own information. You can adjust the font style, size and color using the toolbar at the top. To add new sections or rows, click on the element you want to replicate and use the copy and paste function. If you need to delete any sections, simply select the element and press the delete key. You can adjust the size and position of any section by clicking and dragging the edges. This is particularly useful for creating space for additional meal categories or notes. Enhance your diet sheet by adding images or icons. Click on the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Here you can search for specific icons or images such as fruits, vegetables, or fitness symbols. Drag and drop the desired elements into your template and resize them as needed. To replace any existing images, click on them and hit the delete key. Then add your new image. To match your brand or personal preference, you might want to check the colors. Click on any element you want to recolor. Use the color picker tool in the toolbar above to select a new color. For a cohesive look, try to stick with a consistent color scheme. Canva allows you to enter specific color hex codes if you have particular colors in mind. Once you have decided on the color of your choice, you can then select that color and click on the Apply All, so that the colors in that specific section will change in the whole document. As with changing the colors, you can also change the font of your choice to fit your brand identity of your dietetic practice. Simply click on the text box, go to the fonts, choose a font, select and apply all. Make sure the font is easy to read for your patients and fits into the specified text boxes in your document. Upload your practice logo into the Uploads section in Canva. Once it is uploaded, you can then move it into the spot provided on the front page as well as the bottom of each page in the document. You can easily also edit your practice name at the bottom by clicking on the text box and typing in your practice name. Remember to delete the last page of each document. Review your template to ensure all the information is accurate and the design looks cohesive. Make any final adjustments to text alignment, color schemes, and images. When you are satisfied with your design, click on the Download button at the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format, such as PDF or PNG, and download your customized diet sheet. And there you have it, your personalized diet sheet template ready to use and share. Editing templates in Canva is a straightforward process that allows for creativity and customization. Thank you for watching this tutorial and happy designing!